Hey buddy, how's you doing? So yesterday I was just scrolling on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for 7 subscribers. But I don't know why my videos don't get viral. So I just search on YouTube and here's I found the reason. Maybe because I don't design my own 3D characters in my game and just take it from other websites. So in this video we are going to make a 3D RPG game and also a 3D character. And to make a 3D character I want to introduce you Blender, a great software to make a 3D characters. So we have to just download Blender for free because it's a free software, we don't need to steal it. And after that I create a 3D model completely myself without anyone's help. And then I also add some bones to our character because hey, some stupid people thinks that we made up of bones, so we have to do this for our character. And you know what, we also have 206 bones in our body. After attaching some healthy bones to our character, now it works perfect. But I don't think so that it's really worked perfect. Okay, so after some research, now it's work. Yeah, but wait, is that me or this character is really looking kind of? Hey, you don't have right to copy my dialogues. So our character is now ready, just import in a Unity, and it also have bones, so just add some new textures which we made in Blender, and we're gonna use green color for that pants. No, not black, green. Yeah, now it's looking cool, but our character is so big, so just rescale it. And now we also make a character control script to our player, and it's work perfect without animations, I mean only idle animation. So now it's time to create a camera follow script because it helps a lot. And our script is now ready and I think it works perfect. Yeah, it works perfect. Okay, so now it's time to add some animations to our character, and I think this is a easy part for us. Well, it takes only 10 minutes to me for adding animations, and yeah, now it's work perfect. Now we also have to add a jump effect and jump animations, jump script, and done. And finally the time is come to make environment for our game. So first step in making a environment is ground, because without ground it's not fun. And secondly we have to add houses, and you know, houses are cool and our player also need a house. Yes. Lastly we have to add trees, rocks, a swimming pool, and yeah, also some minor detailing. I also changed skybox and now it's looking pretty beautiful. And also making some sound effects of water. And the lastly of this devlog video, we add some post-processing effects which makes our game looking more good, you mean beautiful. And here is the end result of our game. I don't know why you guys watching this video till here, but yeah, I appreciate that. And that's it for today's devlog video. In next devlog video we are going to create some more enemies, and I don't know what, but yeah, we are going to add something new.